Happy Tuesday, my name is Roger Drakes. Welcome to Drakes Estates. It's open house, it's Caravan Day. Gonna tour about 3 or 4 properties, show you some of the great properties for sale right here in Los Angeles. Come along, let's go. So this is 4855 Colfax Avenue, just on the market today. It's fresh, 1,700 square feet plus, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. On the market for $1.249 million, right on Colfax Avenue here in Valley Village. Take a look inside. So there you had 4855 on the beautiful Colfax Avenue here in Valley Village. This market, this area is fantastic right now, going up in price every single day. That's a 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 1,700 plus square feet of house on a great lot, on the market for $1.249 million. Doing this all off memory, excuse me. Check it out. If you want to see it, call me, Roger Drakes. Next up, we are about to enter 12008 Hesby Street, which is again in Valley Village, 91607. Great neighborhood. Absolutely, as soon as you get into this neighborhood, you just feel the vibes. Let's check out the house. So there you had it. That was 12008 Hesby Street right here again in Valley Village. It's on the market for $1.8 million, 1.799 to be exact. It is 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It has a pool. It's all open plan. It's all remodeled and finished impeccably. It's a beautiful home right here in a beautiful neighborhood. Give me a call. My name is Roger Drakes if you want to see this property today. I'm not actually sure why they call it Broker's Caravan, but basically it is called Broker's Caravan. It's usually on a Tuesday here in Los Angeles, where brokers, agents drive around to review newly listed properties that are available on the market, just to make sure we know what is out there as far as inventory, so we can send stuff out to our clients, our buyers, and generally our investors who are looking to buy real estate. Broker's Caravan. This is property number 3, 11779 Laurel Crest Drive in Studio City. This is in the hills. Let's take a look. And that was 11779 Laurel Crest Drive in Studio City. Doing this off memory. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,400 square feet on the market for $1.670 million. That's $1,670,000. Sounded really complicated, but it's not. It's in the Carpenter District, which is one of the best public schools in the area. Many families want to get into the area, so come and take a look at this home if you fancy a hillside home. My name is Roger Drakes, Drakes Estates. We have left Valley Village. We are now in the hills of Studio City, about to look at another property on Broker's Caravan today. My name is Roger Drakes, Drakes Estates. This is 11530 Donna Teresa Drive. And let's have a look, and I'll give you the stats when we're finished. Lovely home, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. It's very, very big. It's 3,500 square feet of home on the market for $2.149. So that's $2,149,000, which is a great deal in this area. It's serene, it's peaceful, it's quiet, it's tranquil. And the house is very large. You have the pool, the master suite, as you saw, incredible. Give me a call. My name is Roger Drakes if you want to see this property. We are now in the city of 90210, aka Beverly Hills. This is 9716 Oak Pass Road. I'm gonna check out this beautiful property. So here you have, ladies and gentlemen, as I back up the beautiful driveway of 9716 Oak Pass Drive. That's a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home. 5,700 square feet of living space. Beautiful master bedroom with views. On the market for 6.995. I'm breathing heavily because of this driveway. It's very steep. Loads of construction going on in the hills here. New homes being built by the second. So here we are, still on Oak Pass Road in the beautiful city of Beverly Hills Post Office to be exact. This is another home for sale. This is 9653 Oak Pass Road, listed at $4.975 million. This house is a 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom, 5,700 square feet. Really nice property. Been done up, as we say in London, fixed up, made clean, just for you to live in.
Nowhere to go, and it's nothing on these streets. Need that girl, baby, you could stay.
My name's Roger Drake, Drake's Estates. If you want to see this home or any other home in Los Angeles, give me a call.